Hello students, welcome to revision lecture series. In this series, I have been taking revision of entire IIT JEE advanced syllabus through problems. Now see question. Question is, let ABC be roots of equation x cube plus 3x square minus 1 equal to 0. Then find the value of a square b plus b square c plus c square a. Pause this video and try this question. Let's begin. So this is a good example of symmetric form of polynomial. And now we have to find this value. Let us consider this is suppose alpha. Alpha is a square b plus b square c plus c square. And we have to assume beta, and beta will be symmetric of alpha, and it is ab square plus bc square plus ca square. So it is alpha and beta. Now we have to find some s, and s will be alpha plus beta, and we have to find p, and p will be alpha into beta. Then we can get the value of a square b plus b square c plus c square a. So here we write s equal to alpha plus beta and a square b plus b square c plus c square a plus ab square plus bc square plus ca square. And it is given that x cube plus 3x square minus 1 equal to 0. So with the help of beta formula, we can establish a plus b plus c, this is minus 3, ab plus bc plus ac, it is 0, and product of root is 1. So s equal to a square b plus b square c plus c square a plus ab square plus bc square plus ca square, and this is equal to a plus b plus c into ab plus bc plus ac minus thrice abc. So if you substitute the value of a plus b plus c, so it is minus 3, and now substitute ab plus bc plus ac, it is 0, minus 3, so we get s equal to minus 3. Now we have to find the value of p, and p is p equal to a square b plus b square c plus c square a into ab square plus bc square plus ca square. So here we use Sue's identity, and the identity is 3 multiplied by p minus ab plus bc plus ac whole cube, and this is equal to cyclic summation of a square ab plus bc plus ac times b minus c whole square plus thrice abc into cyclic sum of a times a minus b into a minus c. So this is Sue's identity. So we have to use this result, and here we know that ab plus bc plus ac equal to 0. So this quantity will be 0, and this is also 0. So it becomes thrice P equal to thrice ABC, and given that ABC equal to 1, ABC equal to 1, so we get 3 times cyclic summation of A minus B into A minus C. Now we have to determine cyclic summation of A minus B into A minus C. So it will be, we have to determine sigma cyclic A cube minus B plus C times A square plus BC plus ABC. So this is equal to, this can be written as A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus, here it is B plus C times A square, A plus C times B square, A plus B times C square plus thrice ABC, and this is the value of sum S. This value is known as S. Now, and we have thrice ABC equal to 1. So now we have to determine the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube. So we know the identity A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus thrice ABC equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus AC. Now this quantity will be 0. And we also know that A square plus B square plus C square equal to A plus B plus C whole square minus 2 times AB plus BC plus AC. So here we substitute this value, and A plus B plus C is given 3 and AB plus BC plus AC is given 0. So this value will be 9. So we get A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus thrice ABC, and this is minus 3 equal to 3 times multiplied by 9. Right? So it becomes A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 27, and A plus B plus C is given minus 3. So it is minus 27 minus 3. So this value will be minus 4. So here we get A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to minus 4. Now we have to substitute this value, and this cyclic summation will be this cyclic summation, cyclic A cube minus B plus C times A square plus ABC, and this value equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube. This is minus 24 minus S plus 3, and S is given minus 3, so we get minus 24 plus 3 plus 3, and this value is minus 18. So 3 and 3 will get cut, and P equal to minus 18. Now come to the question. In question it is given that find the value of, it is given that find the value of A square B plus B square C plus C square A. A square B plus B square C plus C square A. Let us say that this is alpha. So we have alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is S. S is given minus 3. And what is value of P? P is alpha beta, and alpha beta is given minus 18. So now we know the value of S and we also know the value of P. So we can write x square minus alpha plus beta times x plus alpha beta equal to 0. So we have to find the roots of this equation and get x square minus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. So x square plus 3x minus 18 equal to 0, and we have to find the roots of this equation. So roots will be 3 comma minus 6, right? So roots will be 3 comma minus 6. So now we say that a square b plus b square c plus c square a, this is equal to minus 6 or 3, and this is the final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video.